Well, I wasn't gonna do this video, but we're doing it. Because the road rage some of y'all are causing me is not good, and my videos will be far less entertaining from prison. So first things first, if you're on a 2-lane road, and you've come to a point where you need to make a left turn into a driveway or onto another road that's not at a fucking stop sign, and there's somebody behind you, and there are no cars in the oncoming lane, get the fuck out of the way. Move into the wide open oncoming lane. That way the people behind you don't need to come to a complete fucking stop while you take a 20-mile-an-hour corner at 2 fucking miles an hour. Now we got that out of the way, let's go to number 2. If you're coming up to a stoplight and there's a large vehicle in the lane next to you also approaching that stoplight, and you decide that where you want to be is in front of them in their lane to wait for the stoplight, you deserve for that truck to push you all the way into the middle of the intersection and let your consequences be what they may. They are bigger than you, they're harder to stop than you, and even though it may not be a law recognized by a judge, Judge Newton's Court of Physics definitely recognizes the law of gross tonnage. And then finally, a little bit of interstate etiquette. See, if you're on a road that has 2 or more lanes traveling in the same direction, the ones on the left have a specific name. They're called passing lanes. And it seems that a lot of people are struggling to figure out what the intention of the passing lane is. But I am gonna let you in on the secret. Passing. It's that thing where you go faster than the car in the right lane, and then you pass them. And then you move your happy ass back into that right fucking lane. So you're not supposed to drive next to the person in the right lane. You're not supposed to go 5 miles an hour slower than the rest of traffic. You're not supposed to do anything. You should not ever be in that fucking lane unless you are, all together with me now, class, passing. And like every modern car has cruise control too, you know? And you suck at driving, so fucking use it. Cause some of y'all will be behind people and get the fucking racy vibes for some reason, and then you pass them and slow down 20 fucking miles an hour once you get in front of them. Don't do that. That's a really fucking annoying thing to do. See, just follow these few simple rules, okay? If you follow these rules, you'll stop making the world a worse place, which inherently will make it a better place. And we all want to live in a better place, right? Right.